Some tips and tricks on how to make your airsoft gun shoot faster and more responsive. Number one is to buy better battery. This I run is a Airsoft.com 11 volt, 11.1 volt teens connector. Another thing to improve your speed and fire rate is to buy a MOSFET. If you have an electric AEG, buy a MOSFET. Another thing, buy a new motor. I am running a Jeftron Leviathan version 2 with a 30K matrix motor with an upgraded speed trigger. That's another thing, speed trigger. Some triggers could do some MOSFETs would have a built-in. Some MOSFETs will let you do hair triggers, which is basically a millimeter or two of trigger pull, which will improve your trigger finger speed. But if you're running a gas gun, gas pistol, a thing you can upgrade is your spring, or you can short stroke it, or you can buy a better, lighter slide. Like, just upgrade your slide into its light as possible. That will make your slide cycling as faster and smooth, making your trigger finger much faster. And oil up your gas guns and electric AEGs. See ya.